Close conference like Kobe or James Worthy. You can just call me the king of the valley. All I need is a game jersey. Nigga nuts and gats get served up. When I get it all spit enough, aim sturdy. Cut it up, with cold cuts for the oven that heated up, came dirty. I'll be off of that kryptonite, turn him into liquid ice. Stain his jersey, leave him in the back of the Elko. Like up to scout, stick it to him like Velcro. Nigga, I'm a bitch killer, I'ma dig a ditch quick to rip ya. Paint a murder picture with ya, I'ma attack knife, strip you that night. Split your legs open and dick you, but then I'm really take a rip in your guts. Eat your meat, could deep peach you, pleat you with the meat clicker. Then I need to see ya. He the 4-quarter receiver, court order to leech, tech order to me. I'm bringing the seasoning, and the suicide note, do or die low. Keys in the backseat, cut nexus, some sexes. Got to give him that brother a chunk necklace. It's best.
Hearts are broken and balls have open potions pulling me closer.
Welcome to my world.
Dogs, my ocean, my arc is floating, but I'm living like I'm supposed to.
Welcome to my world.
Hearts are broken and balls have open potions pulling me closer.
Welcome to my world.
Dogs, my ocean, my arc is floating, but I'm living like I'm supposed to.
Welcome to my
Lyrical asylum.
Cause I've been dealing with motherfuckers hating me for the longest. Could it be critical cause I'm lyrically flawless? And if I'm heated I can be mentally cautious. I can deep in peep in the flame. Only can be held accountable for making a change to whatever regards I'd rather be
inside.
In the middle of the stage, I'm busting like a 12 gauge. You can never relate to a nigga that'll hang you up. Slip a couple millions up in your drink figure. I'm excited with the fully loaded rifle, undecided of whether or not I can cut up your brains and guts.
I get spaced out sometimes.
And it's like I'm a heathen, whether or not you believe it. Every time I rap a motherfucker stop breathing. Heavy rubber band in the dilemma for a reason.
Nah.
Well, let me introduce you to the crucial uplifting future. Recruit you, introduce you to the mutual grouper.
My friend.
Nigga, you better get ready cause we done put together the fetty chemical flame. Energetic when I let it embedded in your brain. Tech 9 dilemma and with a list like welcome to my world.
Hearts are broken and balls have open potions pulling me closer.
Welcome to my world.
Dogs, my ocean, my arc is floating, but I'm living like I'm supposed to.
Welcome to my world.
Hearts are broken and balls have open potions pulling me closer.
Welcome to my world.
Dogs, my ocean, my arc is floating, but I'm living like I'm supposed to.
Welcome to my world. I'm losing my world.
Fight this phantom, your freaking family will fall flat. Bump Biancas, beat them black and blue with a baseball bat. I might be a small cat, but I won't use discretion. Hit him with a weapon if he's stepping with a mall rat. 20 minus 11, I make them all scat. Not prosperous now, Text not with his crowd. He's lost in his clouds, rather be off than soft with his style. I got hopes that my life might get better, but I've been broke so I might swipe your cheddar. You better get ready to give me, I got a vendetta. Coming to get it, whether we the money, whatever.
Nobody said it was gonna be easy. People deceive me and leave me in the dark and buried up in the Necropolis. One day you gon' see me on TV. You better believe me, taking over this and never the opposite.
Rewrite my life, give me light in a fight for what's right. A la liberate, cuidado. 151 rum is how we run from Slim Sums, then comes Diablo. I need a medic cause I'm murder energetic in the cerebellum. Never tell him I got one of the worst problems in the medulla oblongata. You oughta go on one hell of a shot. No more darkness, how did I start this? Feeling bizarre shit like kicking your carcass. I am the ruler in my kingdom and my dark seat's hot. Step into my world and your heartbeat stop.